Hello guys, I hope that you are doing great. We are now at the end of this presentation creating. We are going to create the conclusion slide. We need conclusion slide in which every PowerPoint we created, we need them, really need them, and you must create them. For creating them, as always, go to my channel or every channel you like, and after going in the channel, you go and search for them. Let's go to the learning star. If you search it, okay, go to my channel or every channel you want. And I am not the top at the search, I know that. But the thing is that I am here. You can go to my channel if you like. And in playlist, we have two Go playlist, one template for PowerPoint, as I said, and here PowerPoint template. We go to this today and then search for something that we need. These are slides that we created and they are not complete PowerPoint, but they are pretty good and pretty useful. Let's go and see what slide we can use for conclusion. Okay, we have a lots of presentations and they are different from a lots of slides. Let's go, we just search to find out what is suitable for us. I think we maybe find that or maybe don't find that, but it's not important. We are going to just search until we find the thing we want. Okay, we just search again and search. This is good for conclusion, but this thing is not for our theme and I don't like it. Let's go down now and see if we can find anything interesting for the conclusion part. Okay, let's use that thing that we in top C and use it. For creating that, we need to conclusion our presentation. We create a new slide and make it white, solid fill white, and then after that we create a 3 of these things, 1, 2, 3, and then after creating them we just need to copy and paste the text on them. Let's go and paste. What should we create? We just easily copy this text and paste it here. Can you create a conclusion text for the conclusion slide about the topics? We ask the chat, it is not important you ask, right? It will understand. Okay, this is the conclusion. Can you give me 2 topics for this conclusion? Okay, it gave us the topics. We copy them, just simply copy them, and then after copying that we go here, paste it and copy that and paste it. Now we write conclusion. Now the thing we need to find a picture for this slide. Let's go and search AI picture. Some good one. For example, this is good. I like it. Let's have it. But before that, I want to give you a training. What you can use this picture, open it, and try to add this picture with the what? With the address of the picture. How to add it? It's really easy. I want you to add it, and in the next lesson, I'm going to color this page up and make everything fixed. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.